The relevant outcome in the New South Wales K-10 mathematics syllabus is used in the Stage 1 forming groups A with the code MA1FG01, which uses the structure of equal groups to solve multiplication problems and shares all groups to solve division problems. The relevant content is count in multiples using skip counting by 2s, 3s, 5s, and 10s, and we're identifying and describe patterns when skip counting forwards by 2, 3, 5, and 10s. Determine a missing number in a number pattern with a constant difference, and describe how the missing number in a number pattern was determined. The working mathematically outcome addressed is developing understanding and fluency in mathematics through exploring, connecting mathematical concepts, choosing and applying mathematical techniques to solve problems, and communicating their thinking and reasoning coherently and clearly. Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn about how to form equal groups and skip count by 2s, 3s, 5s, and 10s. Skip counting can help us count faster and see patterns in numbers. Let's get started. So in front of me, we have some counters, and I'm going to make some groups of 2. Let's skip count together. So we have 2, 4, 6. Now, what are we doing? What's the pattern that we're using now? How much are we going up by? Correct. We're going up by 2. So we're adding 2 every time. Now, we're going to add another 2 groups of 2 in front of me. So, as a class, let's add all of these counters together. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. What's the total we have in front of me? 10. Well done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2, which equal 10. What pattern do we see with the counters in front of us? When we add them together, how much are we going up by, or how much are we adding? Yes, we're adding 2 every time. And we can see with the counters in front of us, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have 5 groups of 2. Now we're going to do groups of 3. How many groups of 3 do I have in front of me? We have 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 groups of 3. Now, with the skip counting method, we're going to go up by how many do you think? Yes, it's 3. Let's move on and work on seeing the pattern in a number line. Now, as you can see on the number line, we're going up and we're jumping and adding by 2 every single time. Now, let's move on to 5. What do we start off with? Well done, we start at 0. If we're adding by 5s, what's the first number we jump to? Correct. We jump up to 5. What's the second number we jump up to? Great work. We jump up to number 10. And what's the last number on the number line that we jump up to? 15. That's correct. We can see the pattern that when we add the same number, we can see that it goes from 0 to 5 to 10, and then lastly to 15. Great work, guys. Now, class, we're going to use the number line to skip count by 10. So, in front of us, we have a number line starting from 0 all the way till 30. What number do we jump to if we start from 0 and we're skip counting by 10s? Great work. We start at 0 and we jump to the number 10 on the number line. What would be the following number if we were skip counting by 10s? Great work. We add another 10 to the 10 we have, and we jump up to number 20. What would be the final number on our number line we would jump to if we were adding by 10? Great work. We would jump straight to the number 30, right on the end of the number line. Okay, class, now it's your turn. I'm going to come around and hand these sheets out, and I want you to fill in the numbers on each of these number lines. So, they've provided us the first two numbers. We can see 13 and 16 are the first two numbers on the first number line. What do you think is the next number in the pattern? Yes, well done. It is 19. And how much do you think it's going up by? Great. We can see that it's going up by 3. So I want you guys to fill in the numbers on each of the number line, and you can see what pattern and how much it's going up by using the first two numbers. Great work.